Today, I'm going to answer the 7 most common questions that customers ask us before starting their deck project. These are the exact questions that come up almost every time we sit down with the customer. Over the last 12 years, we have covered many important concerns. From material selections and pricing to timelines and warranties, I'm going to give you straight answers to all of them so that you can make the best decision for your home. If you are considering building a new deck, you'll likely find a lot of answers to your questions right here in this video. So let's get into it. So the first most common question that we get is, what type of deck materials do you offer? We offer 2 of the most popular decking materials: pressure-treated wood and low-maintenance composite decking. Each has its own pros and cons, so it really depends on what's most important to you. Pressure-treated wood is the more budget-friendly option. With the right maintenance like regular sealing or staining, it could last for years. Plus, you have a lot of flexibility with staining and color choices that match your home style. On the other hand, composite decking requires a higher upfront investment, but it's virtually maintenance-free. It comes pre-finished, so there's no need for staining or painting. It's also eco-friendly with up to 95% recycled materials and incredible durability. Unlike wood, it won't rot, making it a longer lasting option for your outdoor space. The second most common question that we get is, what brands of composite decking do you use? Our go-to composite decking brand is Trex. It's durable, it's low maintenance, and it's made from 95% recycled material. Trex comes in a variety of colors and textures. It resists fading and scratching. It includes a 25-year warranty. As Trex pros, we handle the warranties directly, making the process easy for you. With that said, we also work with other great brands. AZEK is a premium PVC decking that looks like natural wood and is highly resistant to moisture, mold, and mildew, a great choice for humidity or waterfront areas. TimberTech offers both composite and PVC decking with realistic wood textures. Their warranties go up to 50 years. Decorators, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Their Voyage line is slip resistant and built for tough conditions. Fiberon offers a variety of durable, low-maintenance decking options with warranties also up to 50 years. So which of all of these is best? For us, Trex is the leader, but these brands bring something unique to the table. Your choice depends on what matters most to you: durability, aesthetics, or sustainability. The third most common question we get is, when can you start? Start dates vary based on our workload, weather conditions, permitting, and even things like holidays or unexpected delays. To get the most accurate timeline, we recommend scheduling a consultation. We'll assess your project and provide an estimated start date based on our availability. In most cases, we could begin within 2 to 4 weeks. If you have a specific timeline in mind, let us know. We'll do our best to accommodate it. So the fourth most common question that we get is, do you offer free estimates? Yes, we offer free estimates for our projects. If your deck is straightforward, we could usually provide a quote after an initial consultation. For custom designs, complex layouts, or projects that require multiple site visits, we offer pre-construction services. These come with a fee, but they help to prevent surprises, they ensure accurate pricing, and they give you a clear vision of the final project. We'll help you determine which approach makes the most sense for your deck. So the fifth most common question we get is, can we keep our existing deck frame and just replace the boards and the railings? That depends if your deck frame is in good condition. It may be a great candidate for resurfacing. Before making that call, we'll inspect it for issues such as cracked or unstable footers, twisted or broken lumber, rotten or mildew-covered framing. If your structure is solid, resurfacing can be a great cost-effective way to upgrade your deck without a full rebuild. The sixth most common question that we get is, how much does a deck replacement cost? Deck pricing varies depending on the size, the materials, and extra features. The general breakdown is, deck resurfacing usually costs between $20,000 to $25,000. New pressure-treated wood decking can cost somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the size and the shape. And new composite decking can cost anywhere from $35,000 to $50,000. Things that drive that pricing are higher-end railings, deck lighting, underdeck systems, and roof coverings. If you're considering a new deck, we'll walk you through all of the options to find the best fit for you and your space. And finally, we have the last question, which is the seventh most common question that we get. Are you licensed and insured? Yes, we're licensed contractors in Pennsylvania and in the city of Scranton. While licensing is a basic requirement, it's important to work with a contractor who's properly registered to operate in your area. More importantly, we're fully insured. insured. If a contractor doesn't have the right insurance and someone gets injured on your property, you or your homeowner's insurance can end up covering all of the medical bills. That's why hiring an insured contractor is critical. We hope these answers help you make the right choice for your deck project. If you have other questions or want to learn more, click the link in the description below and schedule a free consultation. We'll walk you through all of your options and see if we can help you create the perfect outdoor space for you and your family. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest answers to your home improvement questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.